Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Breville BSV600PSS Joule Turbo Sous Vide machine. I spent time looking through the internet, reading customer reviews, expert opinions, and long-term user experiences to find out whether this premium sous vide cooker deserves a place in your kitchen. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out about the Breville Joule Turbo is its sleek and premium design. Finished in polished stainless steel, it looks modern and professional without taking up much space. Unlike bulky kitchen appliances that end up hidden away in cabinets, this is a device that feels right at home in a contemporary kitchen. The compact size also makes storage simple, which is important for people who don't want another large appliance cluttering their countertops. What makes the Joule Turbo special isn't just the hardware, but the intelligent software behind it. Breville has built an ecosystem around the Joule app, transforming what could be a complicated cooking method into something surprisingly beginner-friendly. Traditional cooking often involves guesswork. You constantly worry about overcooking, undercooking, or drying out your food. The Joule Turbo eliminates much of that uncertainty by maintaining precise water temperatures throughout the cooking process, ensuring consistent results every time. One of the most talked about features online is Turbo Mode. This is where the Joule Turbo separates itself from many competing sous vide machines. Using advanced algorithms and cloud power calculations, the cooker can prepare certain proteins in significantly less time than traditional sous vide methods, while still maintaining the tenderness and consistency that sous vide cooking is known for. For busy families and home cooks who love the idea of sous vide but don't want to wait all day, this feature is incredibly appealing. Another feature that consistently receives praise is Visual Doneness. For many people, terms like medium rare or medium well can be intimidating, especially if they struggle to achieve those results consistently. The Joule app simplifies everything by allowing users to choose their desired level of doneness before cooking begins. Whether you prefer a rare steak with a bright red center or a fully cooked piece of chicken that remains juicy and tender, the system guides you through the process with confidence. One aspect that really impressed me during my research is the prime time feature. Anyone who cooks regularly knows that dinner schedules rarely go according to plan. Maybe guests arrive late, maybe you're stuck in traffic, or maybe your family isn't ready to eat when expected. Prime time creates a window during which your food remains at its ideal serving condition, giving you flexibility without sacrificing quality. This might sound like a small feature, but in real-world use it can make meal preparation far less stressful. The app experience is another major advantage. Breville has invested heavily in making the Joule more than just a temperature controller. The included cook guides provide tested temperatures and timings developed by professional chefs, helping beginners achieve excellent results without needing to understand every technical detail of sous vide cooking. Whether you're preparing steak, pork, fish, or chicken, the guidance removes much of the learning curve. The guided recipes section adds even more value. Instead of simply telling you how long to cook a protein, the app walks you through complete meals. This makes the Joule Turbo particularly attractive for people who want to expand their cooking skills rather than just replicate the same few dishes repeatedly. From simple weeknight dinners to more ambitious culinary projects, the app provides support every step of the way. During my review of customer feedback across multiple platforms, a common theme emerged. Users consistently praise the accuracy, reliability, ease of use, and excellent cooking results. Many mention that foods retain more moisture and flavor compared to traditional cooking methods. Steaks come out restaurant quality, chicken remains exceptionally juicy, and fish develops a delicate texture that can be difficult to achieve through conventional methods. Of course, no product is perfect. The biggest criticism revolves around the reliance on the smartphone app. While most users appreciate the app-driven experience, some prefer appliances with onboard controls. Additionally, the Joule Turbo sits in the premium end of the sous vide market, meaning it costs more than many basic alternatives. However, much of that higher price goes toward the advanced software experience and unique features that cheaper models simply don't offer. So after looking through the internet and analyzing what the Breville Joule Turbo brings to the table. Would I recommend buying it? Absolutely, especially if you're serious about achieving restaurant-quality results at home. The combination of precise temperature control, turbo mode, visual doneness, prime time flexibility, and an outstanding companion app makes this one of the smartest and most user-friendly sous vide machines available today. While casual cooks may find simpler models sufficient, anyone who values consistency, convenience, and premium cooking performance will likely find the Joule Turbo worth every penny. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another detailed product review. I'll see you in the next one.